Some rural communities now in central Texas will see an increase in COVID-19 vaccines. Bastrop County has received 1,000 vaccines at its hub. As KXAN's Tahira Rahman reports now, next week, 2 more clinics there are set to receive the vaccine.
These are all volunteers, by the way.
On Saturday, Dr. Desmar Walks is in the office with her volunteers. The Bastrop County Health Authority is planning for the hub's vaccine clinic next week.
They've spent hours and hours and hours in here.
Vaccine allocations can change pretty dramatically from week to week. For example, in week 6 here in Bastrop County, only Walmart was able to get additional vaccine doses. In week 7, 0 providers were able to get the vaccine besides the hub here in Bastrop County. And in week 8, there were 2 providers on that additional list, including here at Bastrop Family Practice.
Ultimately, we're not 100% sure each and every week about what that vaccine allocation will be.
That's the reason the Texas Department of State Health Services said they aren't adding any new hubs for week 8. It's also the reason they gave us when we asked why the additional provider list can shift week to week.
We try to work really closely with our local partners and help direct providers, direct vaccine to those providers and areas to make sure that vaccine is available.
Dr. Walk says with a wait list of more than 45,000 people, she'll take any vaccine help she can get.
Everybody is trying to put the fire out basically at the same time, and that's helpful.
Tahira Rahman, KXAN News.
A spokesperson for DSHS says the agency keeps a timeline and tracks all the doses. It orders second doses and makes sure those arrive the week they can start being used. So that means 3 weeks after the first doses are shipped for Pfizer and 4 weeks for Moderna. Now, last week, Travis County received vaccines at 3 locations. This week, it's up to 5. And here's a list of the places that are getting vaccines this week. They include 3 community care clinics, the H-E-B Pharmacy on I-35 near East William Cannon Drive, and the Lone Star Circle of Care at Jonestown and Leander. None of those are getting more than 200 doses.